Myntri Rangbah kejela konrat ke sangma ula Kyntu ya kilat pathai khubor bakin pathai ya ki khubor da kejing ki khlet bat benumpen ya khleh kam niam ya jingjia thombor badang shen ha Mahadev Khola. Myntri Rangbah uang balada lapalat ya uput ke sarkar kan hapan le ai persya ya kilat pathai khubor ki bele ya ki kam ki bapenmi ya kum kani kejing sngau. Ula ong bakilat pathai khubor ki dei bendawat benia shwa wat ya kejing shisha bat hadin sepenmi ya ke bakitim. Ula banjur bakam dan setia kanu kejing yakin ajat binriu ni khleh niam bat kani jingjia.
Incident that was not at all in any way communally motivated or religiously motivated. I just want to make that clear. There was some groups of individuals who had gone to some of the shops. This is the initial report that's come to me, but we are still working on the details. And once there was some kind of an altercation that took place, and because some of the stuff that they were demanding for or asking for was not given, and some exchange took place of words, that more people came in and they attacked the individual. So it was a very standalone incident, not at all religiously or communally motivated, but it just so happens that the two groups were from two different communities, and hence it is easy to connect those dots and then try to give it a communal or religious color. I'm very clear, it's not. We have asked and studied all the background of the individuals. They are not related to any particular organization or any kind of communal issue or anything like that. It was a standalone incident that happened between two groups, and as per law, whatever action has to be taken will be taken. And I appeal to everybody not to give this kind of incident or any other incident that is there a communal color from day one. This is not correct, as it leads to unnecessary tension. But this incident, as I said, was completely between two groups and two individuals, which had nothing to do with religion.
Some news channel incident.
Let him finish.
Dealing with the incident Manipur.
Same with this. Some news channel is carrying a report saying that this is a religious issue having involved in this attack. So
no, as I said,
is the government taking action because this may lead to something else.
Yeah, it's, you mean to say against the news channels?
Yes.
We have not gone into that level, but I mean, we do expect the news agencies also to be responsible, to not give it a communal color. But yes, if it goes beyond a certain point, then we will take action against against agencies that do unnecessarily create this kind of a picture. Because as I said, the agencies should do their homework first, find out the facts, and only then come out with any kind of thing. But I will reiterate, there is no communal or no religious angle to this incident.
What dealing with the Manipur incident? Like this Mahadev Khola?
As I said, you see, what happens is, it is a normal situation and a normal psychological tendency for us, that if we see the some kind of an incident or some kind of a situation happening, we try to connect one dot to the other dot and then create a story around it. So it is a normal tendency. So I request that we should refrain from it. It has nothing to do with the situation in Manipur. Even the Manipur situation, we need to understand, is very complex. It's easy to bring out communal color to it and other, not communal but religious color to it, but you have to understand that this is a situation where two communities are involved, and of course in the process we have seen many people being affected, which is very unfortunate. But we should all try our best to find a way to find peace in Manipur, and I think that is what is important. And we should avoid connecting what is happening in Manipur with this incident. It is absolutely not connected at all. Okay.